Hi, Assalamualaikum everybody. I'm Prof. Anwar, Chief Digital Officer, Universiti Malaysia Perlis. I would like to introduce our product called Geolocation-Based Attendance and Analytical System for COVID-19 Outbreak. Universiti Malaysia Perlis, UniMAP, is using geolocation tracking technology to monitor the safety of its 17,000 students and staff during the implementation of Movement Control Order (MCO). Currently, we use a biometric thumbprint system, which create a lot of problems and issues. One of the issues is the long queue of staff to queue during the event, UniMAP events or Senam Robik to touch in. And also during COVID-19, high risk of spreading the virus through touching the thumbprint reader. And also we have a problem to it's difficult for us to monitor the students and the staff during MCO where they have been. It is also due to the high maintenance cost of thumbprint system. So to overcome the issues, our objective is to develop an attendance system for staff using GPS technology. And also we want to have a staff and student location monitoring system with overlaying of the COVID-19 infected zone. And then we want to develop a map to show the staff and student location worldwide and also its database system. For management, they want to have a dashboard monitoring system and also for analytical report for decision making. This system has a simple architecture which developed using Java language. So we have a mobile application and also can be used in desktop application and through the internet and then connected to the application web server as well as a database server. Here I would like to demo how the system works. These are a few examples of statistic and dashboard for management decision making. From GPS information, we are not only captured coordinate data but also data for device, operating system and browser. This system is very unique because it has been developed in-house with a university requirement features. And also the web-based system is the most compatible and easy to use, and we can identify geographical location of the students and the staff. This system has a few advantages such as comprehensive system to locate staffs and students during COVID-19 pandemic. And also we can monitor the students and the staff with overlaying of COVID-19 infected zone. It is very practical to use as an attendance system for staff using GPS technology, and the dashboard facilities for management reporting and provide an analytical report for decision making. This product has been registered as a copyright with my IPO. We have also a strategic collaboration with a private university, which is Al-Bukhari International University, and also with the Malaysian Administrative Modernization and Management Planning Unit. We have also published this product in a few newspapers and media social. This product has also been reviewed as an excellent innovation by IT experts. Currently, we are in the process of developing a sistem pengurusan asnaf from Majlis Agama Islam Perlis to locate poverty people in terms of welfare management. Second one is we are in the process to develop an entrepreneur for Negeri Perlis system. This is to locate entrepreneur premise and kiosk in Perlis. This system also can be used to track the asset and also to locate university students by Ministry of Higher Education, focus group of people, political supporters, and anything that need to identify the location of people. In overall, this system is very useful and significant for the universities and any other agencies or department to be used as attendance system with geolocation system. It is very easy and friendly to be used with a very minimum cost.